Shalom, welcome again
to eTeacherBiblical.
My name is Sigal. Let's go to lesson number 5. This lesson is going to be dealing with the Dagesh. You remember the Dagesh? We mentioned this Dagesh earlier in previous lessons. It's a tiny dot, as you can see here in the slide, inside the letter. We will have to call it in the heart of the letter. So this dot, the problem of this dot is that we have the same exact dot, which is called a Dagesh, and for different purposes. As you can see here in the chart, on the bottom part, the letter Mem has a Dagesh. And this Dagesh we'd like to represent doubling. Why is that? Because in English you can easily write the word grammar with 2 M's. Hebrew would never do something like that. Multiply a letter. Instead of multiplying a letter, we just put a Dagesh, and this is exactly the purpose of multiplying. So you're not going to find something like grammar in Hebrew, just 2 letters coming one after another without a vowel. Whenever you have a situation like that, you will probably see a Dagesh. This is one type of Dagesh. And the slide here demonstrates, you see the person holding the weights. So why is that? Because this Dagesh that is multiplying the letter is called the strong Dagesh. Strong Dagesh. Another Dagesh is just called the Lene Dagesh, and this Dagesh would only represent pronunciation. What do I mean pronunciation? There are several letters in Hebrew where you put a Dagesh, they would make a hard sound, what we call a plosive. I'll demonstrate one of them. Let's say I take the letter Bet and I put a Dagesh inside, it would make the pronunciation B, B. What happens if I take the Dagesh out? The pronunciation now is going to be V. So fricative, you can keep on saying V. Another letter that can demonstrate this situation is, let's take the letter P. If you put a Dagesh in this letter, it's going to be sound as P. Take the Dagesh out, it's going to be fricative now. So that's exactly this purpose of this Lene Dagesh. Both Dageshes look exactly identical, just a tiny dot in the heart of the letter. So it's going to be acquiring some kind of learning. Let's see some of the Dageshes here within Genesis 3:3. You see some letters are on circle. I will talk to you about each one of them. But let's read first. ומפרי העץ אשר בתוך הגן אמר אלוהים לא תאכלו ממנו ולא תיגעו בו פן תמותון. So let's start with the first Dagesh. This is a Lene Dagesh, just a pronunciation Dagesh. The second one, you don't know yet why, but I just tell you. The next one is in the word Hagan, which is the garden. It is a strong Dagesh. The very next letter is in the word pen, lest, and this is also a pronunciation Dagesh, a Lene Dagesh. And again, the very last word, temutun, is also a Lene Dagesh. So, let's see you back again in lesson number 6, and I will again greet you in Hebrew, Shalom veToda.